This one. Oh, he just jabbed me. What the, bro?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Get off of me, fool. There we go.
Crank that song. Now what?
What's up? What's up? There we go. There we go. Oh!
Big guy must hit.
You know Jack
A nuclear, there we go.
I saw, I praise the Lord, then break the Lord.
Yo, so I just unlocked something, right? Now, you guys know, I love the Dark Matter camo. Like, I loved it enough to get it for the second time, which is just weird. Yo, I unlocked this thing. I'm gonna show you. Wait, why am I talk? Why is this fool just looking at me, man? Nah, but let's check this out real quick. This is the Damascus. Now, look at this thing. Now, I know it doesn't look too crazy as of right now. It isn't really moving or anything like that, but this is the reactive camo for the GKS. Obviously, you have the unicorn version, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of videos on. Not from me, though, I didn't quite have it. I would say, arguably, it might low-key be Dark Matter 2.0, and you guys are gonna see because it levels up in different tiers. I do get it to, I think, either the one before or max tier. I'm not 100% sure, but Theater's not working, so I can't even go back and like fully check it. Just get a round of applause to Treyarch, man. Yo, well done, boys. Theater's not been working for 3 days. How do you expect a man to get his thumbnails? How?
Sway.
Well, yeah, Dark Matter 2.0, arguably better. We'll see. Alright, bro, so this is it. This is kind of the Dark Matter 2.0, which I've been talking about. Now, you guys know how Dark Matter upgrades every... Bro, I can't... How Dark Matter upgrades every 5 kills, right? Well, so does this. Now, this one changes... This one... Oh, he just jabbed me. What the... Bro!
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Get off of me, fool! There we go. Yo, I got a new mic setup. I finally got like the actual mix amp, so this is kind of weird. Bro!
What did you say, man?
He punched me again!
Crank that song.
Oh, now we got Superman in the game, boys.
Oh! I've been fallen!
Crank that song. Now what?
What's up? What's up? I'm telling you, man, these fools have been aggravating me. So it's time for me to go in a little bit. There we go. I was waiting for a second because I didn't know whether he was gonna stay there or not, but he did. Get off of me, fool. They should in reality spawn down here. Yeah, you had time.
there.
There we go. Bro, let me out.
Crank that song.
What
Now
the
what?
flea?
I'm about to even hit.
A few moments.
It's a tryout, lobby, boys.
Every time you hit the ball.
Like, the one
I won't even die. If he was hit.
do you know Jack
That black one.
Yeah, he knows.
Not already. Yo, he made a card in the game.
Where are you even at?
Well left.
Well, that's not bad.
Oh, my bad.
Actually staying.
Crank that
With this smash down. After looking at my strike team though on both, I tripped man and he was just missing there. They couldn't even hit it though. They were all trying to shoot. And tripped.
Bro.
Oh mate, you got this.
Yeah. It's not gonna be. I can't even.
Boys! Yo, I started playing mad late too. This was like the start of it.
Certainly no one's hitting you from that there at all.
But I think I was one off a nuke. Right, let's go, man. Honestly, I just feel kind of weird right now. I'm just trying to use this, you know, get some of the camo tiers. I highly doubt we're going to get the max one. The closest I've been was... I don't even know, but you'll see it in this video. This guy's going to get all the kills. Almost. I mean, you almost did. I don't know if I told you guys, but I've got a different mic setup right now. I'm using the Astro Mix Amp, which is a little... Oh... Oh, no. I'm dead. Wait, let me out. Oh no!
Mission failed.
Oh, that's horrible.
Crank that soul. Now what?
What the? Oh, I can't deal with this game. I actually can't. Oh, come on, throw this. Teammate, there you go. There we go. Bro, I actually can't see if. What? Yo, teammates. What? Sit down. Bro, they should all be on the ground. Bro, they're all here. There we go. There we go. Are they all here still? Oh no! Oh no, we just did it. We just did it to him. They had a spawn beacon, bro. That is the best thing. I can't get my attach up. What have you got? Sniper's nest. Bro. Get off of me, fool. Bro, Tempest is so good. Let me see. Thank you. I'm dipping though. Bro, how come I can't call him my chopper for that thing? The sniper's nest, really? Oh, bro, the fact that... Yeah, man, yo, this thing is basically Dark Matter 2.0, in my opinion. It's a new variant in the game. If you guys don't know, the Damascus, whatever it's called, we don't really care about the name. We just care about Dark Matter and how good the camo looks.
Look that behind you, whoever's up.
Mine got their heads.
Bro, how's trust this? I hate Tempest though. The whole 6 times.
Bro, are you being serious? First thing once in a hate die.
Top of me. Oh, decided. It is awful.
Yeah, it's kind of concentrating me right now. I took that kill.
A nuclear, there we go. Flee! Oh, man.
I wonder what he's going
Oh, man. Finally! Yo, I was mad quiet in it. Okay, so I'm about to try out Nuketown. Yeah, this is not gonna go well. I've always told you guys, man, I don't actually think Treyarch likes me. You know what I'm saying? What the flip? I feel like they make my weapons worse than everyone else's, you know what I'm saying? And I think, you know, they've got a little bit of beef with me. So, I mean, if that's what they want to do, that's what they want to do. So, get off of me. Someone coming out. Nah, I don't like this. Someone's up top. In our build! Look at him. What a specimen. Bro, come on. Flipping idiot. Absolute idiot. There we go. Bro, if that secret drone comes for me, we're gonna have some problems. We're actually gonna have some problems. Nah, I'm not feeling that challenge. Okay. Are they spawning on this side? Oh, no. So you're telling... You tell... Bro, this is stress. This is actually just stress. Bro, I don't even know why I put myself through this. I really don't. This weapon shoots peanuts, bro. Peanuts. Actual Look at them all. Look at how many hit my... Wow. Like, I don't know why they nerfed it so bad. This weapon must have had, like, the worst changes added. What the flip? There we go. I think they just got a strike team. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay. Okay, I'm just spraying at this point. Let me heal. Okay. I've got 3 bullets. I've got my temp. Bro, how am I supposed to get out? Bro, how am I supposed to survive? Wait, I'm whipping out my Tempest. There's one. Bro. There we go. He's on the floor. There we go. Anyone coming this way? There we go. Okay, we got full streaks. There we go. Bro. Oh. Bro, I don't know what I just did. Oh my god. They switching spawns? Don't tell me they're switching spawns. Oh! Bro, how did I even survive that? Literally just running around. There we go. Oh, we're on red, by the way. This is another upgraded version. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, let's just end this game now. I'm kind of satisfied. You know what I mean? I'm kind of satisfied with what's occurred. Yeah. I'm satisfied.
Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 Trey. I just pulled on me a A. Real nigga.